Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use Flipbox widget with WordPress and Elementor Pro. So I have this Elementor Pro in one of the account, and I'm going to edit one page with Elementor. So this is sample page I'm going to edit with Elementor, and when you open it with Elementor, you'll find your Pro widgets unlocked if you have Pro. So here we have to find Flipbox. So let's look at this Flipbox here. We can drop it on page, and as you can see, the moment you take mouse, it will start to flip, okay, in and out. Okay, here you can choose what to add, something like, let's say, Helpfolder flip 1. Okay, and in background you can see you can change that with, let's say, flip 2. Okay, here I can change button text. I can also add some link, also change other settings like height, border radius, flip effect, or you can slide in or push. Okay, like this. Just take mouse in and out, and then zoom in, which is a bit different to see. Similarly, fade, okay, which is much better for the eyes. So we can test this out by clicking on update and then preview the changes. And here you see, the moment I take mouse, it should show me the flip and then back. So you get the idea how to use Flipbox widget with Elementor.